Hi, welcome you all. Now we are going to start our Java coding and basics. First of all, what you need to program Java on your computer. You need to install Java Development Kit on your machine. The Java Development Kit used in Java programming along with the Java virtual machine and the Java runtime environment. The installation process is in the link in the description below. Then you need the text editor for your programming. You can use any text editor as you wish. You can also use Notepad. We have recommended Notepad++ or Microsoft Visual Code. Some advanced IDEs are such as IntelliJ or Eclipse can also be used according to your preferences. You can use command prompt to compile the Java program. This is your very first Java program. Let's start programming. What is Java Virtual Machine? The JVM or Java Virtual Machine is an abstract machine. It is a specification that provides runtime environment in which Java bytecode can be executed. JVM or Java Virtual Machines are available for many hardware and software platforms, and it is platform independent. Here are some basic rules of Java. You must clearly understand these concepts well. The Java is case sensitive. Case sensitive defines whether the uppercase and lowercase letters are treated as distinct or equivalent. In this example, the word count with capital C and the word count with simple c are not equivalent. The next rule is regarding the class names. Class name must be a single word. You can't use several words for a class name. If you need, you can use underscore or bind those words as a single word. Class names always starts with a character. As in this example, you can't start a class name from a number. The class name in Java can be started with a simple letter convention. All developers use capital letters as the first character in class names. When you are saving a Java file, the class name of the file must be equal to the name of the class. In this example, we saving a file, the class name must be my first app. The main method is mandatory part of the Java program. You can't run a program without the main method because it is the starting point of the Java program. Here are some keywords used by Java. Use keywords as variable names, class names, or function names. A comment is a programmer readable explanation or annotation in the source code of a computer program. They are added to make source code easier to humans to understand and generally ignored by the compilers. A single line comment starts with a double slash. A multi-line comment starts with a slash and asterisk. After the comment line, it ends with an asterisk and slash. As well, the comment can be class level comments. The class level comments start with a slash and double asterisk. Then each line starts with an asterisk and it ends with an asterisk and slash. This is how to print statements in Java. System.out.print statement prints the relevant text in console, but system.out.println statement prints the relevant text in console and goes to the next line. You can use \n to start a new line. That's all, and we will discuss more in next video. Thanks for watching.